Hey there. So most law firm websites have practice area pages that are barely more than a paragraph or two. They're pretty barren. But when someone is facing a legal crisis, especially something as serious as a catastrophic traffic accident, high net worth estate planning, divorce with young children, maybe a felony, a criminal charge, right? A couple of paragraphs just won't convince them to call you instead of your competitors. It needs to be much more comprehensive and helpful. Your practice area pages are the most commercially valuable pages on your website, but many law firms and marketing agencies, frankly, view the copy on those pages primarily as a place to stuff keywords, right? A place to put keywords for Google's eyes instead of providing actual helpful information to people facing the biggest legal issues of their lives. When someone visits one of your practice area pages, they're not casually browsing. No, they are looking for real information, right? They're looking to learn about their legal problem and assess whether you have the experience and the knowledge needed to capably handle their legal issue. But this is what happens on most lawyer websites. Hear me out, because I look at dozens and dozens of law firm sites every week. Visitors look for answers and relevant experience. They don't find much. They hit the back button and they call whoever did answer their questions and appeared to have experience with their particular legal issue. A weak practice area page doesn't just miss opportunities, it sends your prospects directly to a competitor. Put a strong, in-depth practice area page. It does the opposite. It builds trust. It shows expertise. It gives that reassurance. And it answers the exact questions the client is silently panicking about, right? And when you provide more value before the consultation, they arrive already believing you're the lawyer who can help them. They arrive with questions. They arrive prepared. They arrive ready to hire you and only you. So let me show you what I mean. So we recently created a comprehensive Texas sexual assault page for a criminal defense firm that we work with. It's a really good example of how a practice area page should function. So here's what it includes. One, a free book. Right at the top, visitors can download a digital guide that walks them through what to do if accused, their legal rights, steps in a sexual assault case, critical defenses. Whether or not a visitor downloads the book, it signals that this firm knows this area of law specifically and likely knows it better than the attorneys who, of course, don't have a book on their exact problem. Number two, explainer videos. Next, the page provides videos on the key concerns of prospects facing this issue. Was it consensual? What happens after you're accused? Right? And also certainly penalties, consequences, right? Many visitors will be browsing on their phones, and videos are much easier to watch than kind of scrolling through paragraphs and paragraphs of content sometimes. Number three, extensive FAQs. This lengthy collection answers dozens of questions prospects ask about penalties, common defenses, what police can and what police can't do, whether cases can be dismissed, what evidence matters most. Because there are so many FAQs provided, prospects are likely to get the exact questions answered, right? The result, visitors stay longer, engage more, and feel educated, not confused. That alone boosts the likelihood they'll call your firm. Number four, infographics. This section provides an illustrated breakdown of the number one issue in sexual assault cases. Was consent given? A visual description helps prospects understand complex legal issues and is easy to browse on a phone. Always remember the mobile experience. Number five, attorney authority section. So now that many of the visitors' questions have been answered in a variety of ways, right? Book, videos, FAQs, infographics, it's time to showcase the attorney's experience, expertise, and approach, and to do so in a personal, authentic, genuine voice. Number six, reviews and call to action. We finish our presentation of why this attorney is the one to call by noting the impressive number of Google reviews he has received, his high star rating, an example of those favorable reviews. We then provide a click to call button, make it easy. Again, keeping in mind that many visitors to the page will be using their phones. So why does a comprehensive page like this generate new business? It answers every question. When someone's scared or confused, the attorney who answers their questions becomes the attorney they trust. This page reduces bounce rate. Long pages with books, videos, FAQs, and resources really keep visitors engaged. More engagement equals higher chances of contacting you. It boosts SEO naturally, organically, right? So Google rewards depth, topical authority, internal linking, and certainly user engagement. So you don't need tricks, just genuinely helpful content. This page demonstrates expertise instead of just claiming it. That's a big difference. Anyone can say their experience, but videos, books, FAQs, detailed guidance, they all prove it. And this page overcomes what I call decision fatigue, right? Most prospects compare lawyers for 5-10 minutes before calling someone. A page like this makes the choice easy. It makes the choice obvious. I hope this example has proven inspirational and that you will either write comprehensive practice pages for your firm yourself. You will reach out. Certainly, if you need help, please reach out to us for help, or you can certainly talk to your agency about providing them, but assuming they have the legal expertise to provide them. Our team of in-house attorney editors here at James Publishing, we have decades of experience creating quality, top-shelf legal content. The same team of in-house attorney editors who work on our law books also draft all of the consumer-facing content you get as part of our program. So we can create pages for your website, like the one I just showed you, and then drive traffic to them with meta ads. Reach out to me anytime. My email address is kprior, KPRIOR @jamespublishing.com, or certainly just visit jamesamplifier.com to learn more. Until next time, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.